out here today with Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz. And he's gonna learn a trick.
I mean, technically, relearn or just it's bright.
It is bright.
It's really bright right here.
And he's running on like 2 hours of sleep.
Refamiliarize myself with
fumes and golf.
The former glory of my young days, which were like a year ago.
Skateboard extraordinaire.
Yeah. So I want to do a 5-0 front shove again. That's my trick, my go-to ledge trick.
I was telling him just do a 5-0. 5-0 180.
I mean, I just got to get a few 50s under my belt.
And then you're good to go.
And then I'll be good to go. But really the thing that I need to get comfortable with is just all-in and not feeling a little bit of a soreness in my hip right now.
Is that what hurts?
Yeah, right here. I did go golfing this morning.
I know. You know. See, this man woke up at 6 a.m. to go golfing.
Just swinging that thing.
After being at Tahoe. Okay, so do the warm-up.
Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of...
SMS1.
Maybe not SMS, but just a few little tricks just to get the legs flowing again.
Okay, get flowing.
And then, yeah, we'll just kind of see how it goes. I might manual that box.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then, you know, just to get the feeling of holding the nose up a little bit.
Yeah. And
then we'll just go. But hey, the first episode, I really surprised myself landing that hard flip. So now we're just gonna kind of take it with what the skate gods are gonna give me. And by skate gods, I mean Lance.
Lance, please bless Gabe Cruz with the land today.
I feel like let's just go maybe over to that same spot.
Where it's nice and sunny.
You're trying front board?
Oh, you got that, easy.
Get a front board for the video. All right. You do a front board and I'll do a manual, get your back.
It'll be good, it'll be like, you know, like it'll show how skillful he is.
Yeah, you got it. Adam in the house, shredding. All right. San Mateo Skate Park.
You got it.
The most random place I would expect.
Yeah? This is my favorite park.
Really?
Yeah.
This is one of the best.
I used to skate here not every day, but every week for sure. Okay, you got it, front board.
Hopefully I don't get camera shy.
Don't get camera shy.
There's no camera.
It's okay. Yeah! That was the best one yet.
That 100% counts.
We're too old for this. We've gotten too old for this. Yeah.
All right, D.
Keep your feet wider.
Oh, God. Okay. All right, I got it. Sorry. I just had to ollie up at once.
Don't be nervous, Cruz. This is a Gabe Cruz warm-up.
I'm not nervous. I'm having a full breakdown.
A breakdown?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Oh!
Honestly, so
sick.
Good.
Forward.
Come on, Gabriel. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, that's the one I'm going to get his back.
First try, let's go.
I think I touched.
He might have scraped a little bit toward the end there. But you know, who's counting? He said, I still got it.
Oh!
Body. Yeah.
Oh! Stay on it, my friend. You almost did a front shove to front flip over the rail. Dude.
See, on the 5-0, you can scrape like that, don't matter.
I learned how to 5-0 from you, man. You think I'm gonna scrape a 5-0?
Yeah, I think he's gonna scrape the 5-0, especially if you shove out. You need to be a little scrapage.
Dude.
Come on, Cruz.
This. Oh, hard flip, very hard. This should not be taking this long.
Yeah. There it is.
Why?
There it is.
Oh.
Sorry,
You okay?
Dude, why are you so swirly? Aaron, this is ridiculous.
Too tired.
No, it's fine.
We're gonna talk about it. Could you manual that? Oh yeah, easy. And then it's hard, but it's tricky sometimes. Sometimes you're on it, sometimes you're not. First try, let's go! That was it. It's perfect. Board slide the ledge is pretty hard.
You just lose all your speed going up that hill.
Yeah, it's tricky. Yeah.
Derek, you look good today.
Thank you.
No! No! Gabe Cruz focuses his board.
Dude, the hard flip was so easy to stay cool because it's a hard trick, but this is ridiculous.
Yeah, but you already did it though. What are you trying to do it again?
2 to make it true.
2 to make it true?
For mental.
Yeah. He's trying to get it in here. Okay, I believe you.
Dude, I'm doing this dumb thing with my front foot where it's just getting stuck back here.
Yeah.
And then this foot's not going on the board. Yeah. What are you doing?
Let's go. Let's go. Can Gabe Cruz still land a manual? Yes, he can. Now ledge? Ledge? We're sitting on the ledge. We need to do a skate park etiquette video. Don't sit on the ledge. 51st.
I apologize for the aggravation. Just I'm my own biggest critic, and that should be the easiest trick I can do on a skateboard. And the fact it took that long is really frustrating. But it's okay, because we did it to the satisfaction. We're happy now. We move.
No skirt.
No, it's great.
No
Oh yeah,
touchy.
thank you.
From the
brother.
man who did, I think, manual varial flip or varial flip manual?
Varial Manny. Did I do half cap flip Manny back 180, or was that a dream?
I don't know. I need to go through and find all the tricks.
I
that
did
everybody-
Varial Manny and Manny Varial, for sure.
that everybody did.
I swear I've done half cap Manny, half cap flip Manny.
Probably. Let's go, Gabe Cruz.
Dude, I looked like I was like, oh my goodness. It's like I'm an AI block and a programmer is trying to teach me how to skateboard.
Let's go.
Can I count that? Is that all right?
That's 100% counted. How was that, Adam?
That wasn't good, but whatever.
Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
That was good, right?
A little skirt.
A little
Yeah,
skirt,
a little
skirt. I'm telling you, brother, it's been a while.
So what now?
5-0?
5-0. There's a fence. Hey, Gabe, there's a fence there.
Thanks. Oh, I like feeling this exhausted.
Yeah,
There's something kind of euphoric about it,
yeah,
especially when you achieve a goal that you set out to achieve.
exactly.
Dude, that trick is the best grind. Is 5-0 your favorite grind, AK?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it's really good.
Let's go, Cruz.
That trick is the best, man. That was pretty good, huh?
That was very good. Now 5-0 frontside 180.
Ooh, that's a tough one. 5-0 front one, first try. I want the Jamba Q cleared.
Yeah,
I want it erased.
done.
I want the Thanos came with the infinity gauntlet of Jamba Juice flavors, and he goes, and it's out of here.
Deal.
All right, it's the most important 5-0 front shove, or 5-0 front 180 in my life.
That was like a $200 5-0 180. All right,
Hey.
the cue is gone.
Oh, I can't snap with my left hand.
Wow.
I'll clean that up for you, AK.
All right, no, you don't got to.
I mean, I could do it better.
5-0 shove.
I could do it better. Okay, actually, hold up. The fleeting thought of redoing that has passed. I'm gonna do front shove first.
Yeah.
That one has to be perfect. We're not wasting tries on this trick.
It's been a while.
It's gonna be one try and one try only.
First try.
Yeah, I'm feeling good. That manual humbled me, and now I'm back. Now I'm back.
That's part of the warm up.
First try for you.
That's why they call it a warm up.
Go, Cruz.
Oh, it was it too. He's leaning too far forward. You got to put it in the back seat, Cruz.
Okay.
That was it.
4.
That was so good.
4! I never felt good on that one. Fudge, come on.
Yeah.
You piece of pepperoni. This one goes out to my friend, Mr. Riento, otherwise known as the Big D, the Demolisher.
The Big D.
I'm a forking failure for you.
Yeah.
G. GTA walk, baby.
Yeah. We got Gabe Cruz, 5-0 front shove before GTA 6.
I was just gonna say, we got Gabe Cruz skating again before we got GTA 6. Oh my God. I'm delirious, that is funny. Aaron, I'm so sorry.
He's gonna land it right now, you see? This is what happened last time. He tried the manual, didn't make it, he said, Aaron. And I said, okay. And now watch, he just did it again, now he'll land it.
Oh man, I only got like 3 tries, I'm getting lightheaded.
Woo!
I'm gonna do one more.
Here we go, Gabe Cruz, here we go. Woo, woo! Let's go! You got a good one.
Yeah, it was okay. It was just a little too quick, but.
A little quick?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I just wanted to sit on the grind a little longer.
Oh, you wanted to grind longer.
Yeah, but I mean, hey, you're a little bit removed from the game, and sometimes you gotta take what you can get. Oh man.
You take what you can get out here. We're getting old. You're at least 15.
Hey, it feels good that I can still do that though.
Yeah, 100%.
Like when I pulled up today, I didn't think that I was gonna do that trick at all.
Yeah.
Cause man, when I left the house, I was like a zombie, like a full freaking zombie. When I came here, I was activated by the skate god and the Braille army. I need some food and water, but we're good. Thank you for standing by me. That's hard after not skating for a while.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you, Aaron.
Now you gotta start skating every day.
Thank you, Derek.
10 minutes at least.
Thank you, my friend.
It was fun.
We hope you enjoyed the video. You, yes, you, get out there and ride your skateboard and have an absolute blast. We'll see you in the next video.